Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. But first of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to edit your username in the game, just go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find your profile and your name, and click to the next pen icon, and here just type your new name, and if you finish, click to the continue button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.